What a BTR coming at you from Pretty Bird here in Salt Lake City. This is the hot chicken sandwich, the original, medium spicy. Here we go. It looks beautiful. The bun is really freshly cut. It's like this, looks like a brioche bun. It's just very vibrant purple slaw. Delicious spices coming through. It's like a dry rub, well brined, tender and juicy chicken. Really, really good. Ooh, some spiciness kicking in. Not too spicy for the medium. Really enjoyable. You get all the flavors. Check it out.